Yo, kita munda bawa do Guizong. Thank you for coming back to the channel. Guys, we will react to Khabib Gibbs Moraes' Amche Goya. Okay? So I'll see you after the intro. Welcome back. Jodi to tumi channel subscribe karo nagale atat korat, like korat, comment korat, share korat. It really helps me out. It gives me the motivation. Motivation dita, motivate data basically to put out more videos, and and this is something I enjoy to do. So please, korat. Okay, now let's jump into this quickly. Okay, not quickly. Let's enjoy. But before that, we need to put on our headset, right? So, 3, 2, 1. Headset on. Let's go and follow this. Okay, are we ready to do this? Let's do this. Goa is in dire straits. We need to stand united and fight for our existence. Like I always say, power to the people. Khabib Moraes. Gibbs audio. Nice. Beautiful shot. Beautiful drone shot. Where is this? In the comment section, please.
Amche goye. Amka ani amge burgyak sambaduya.
Good opening.
Please do not destroy our mountains. We need them for us and our children.
Listen to her. We need our mountains for us and for our children. Listen to her, okay?
Very happy because of this beautiful Goa.
Good start.
We love you, Goa.
We love you.
Wake up, brother! Cinta hai kantar koshe haven boroche moje lagi utram borong zaina ya penachan sogle khabar korun udoile tumi dewachan naka kele zada je for amche burgyang fudle paul mata ami khite amcha fudar Peter Ali Rajan zaun tori ami fugar pude kite santa te kandorun aikat natur gara kode boson fokot kotu roza isko lanta tumi tumcha burgyang.
Okay, very good start, strong start. Munda to take hobonali ko hai boro pap kiya kata, and then when he took off that, I think some inspiration and eta to rapper and lyricist, and I think he's done a brilliant job so far. Good on.
Fundara kode rit big cat budar Peter Ali Rajan zaun tori ami fugar Pude kite santa te kandorun aikat natur gara kode boson fokot kotu roza iskolan tata tumi tumcha burgyang Fundara kode rit big cat na sakali uton no namaskar good morning Dad, I'm going to school, give me a kiss, not a warning. Koslo mog, amto shikop sogle gele
Wow. Come back. Oh man, what a line. Soka uton, no namaskar, no good morning. Dad, I'm going to school, give me a kiss, not a warning. Damn. Baba, you are a poet. Tumhare poet, sarko poet. Okay, let's hear that.
Natur gara kode boson fokot kotu roza iskolan tata tumi tumcha burgyang Fundara kode rit big kedna sakali uton no namaskar good morning Dad, I'm going to school, give me a kiss, not a warning. Koslo mog, amto shikop sogle gele pani tuje kalis kusola taka mata to ghani Kes moje kabar tori dita maka funny Deu pasum bejari fernak worte money Amche goe sopurle amche konkan mogache purwazani amka dille fudarak burgyak te sambauche Wikun kabar noi korche ekbotan round ami jusche onkar ponra kondorche shetan post korun kaje pik ami khauche
Okay, I'm sorry for interrupting so much. Now, the first thing is that Lyricist is amazing. He is a vocalist too, and you can see how soothing his voice is. And the hook line is so mellow, so nice to listen to. Rap, I'm not 100% sure, but he's given his best shot, and I'm sure he'll do much better. I'm Kips Baba. Please, I'm only giving constructive feedback. Raga Zainaga Mugaso. Rapping, I think mixing and we'll have to work a little bit more in the mixing part of it. But you have an amazing, brilliant voice, and your writing skills are brilliant.
तुमचे गारदोला तुम्ही बोरे भाषेन चकाचक कचरो केला तो बाहेर उडोय ताका मार जक म्युनिसिपालिटी येतेली तुझा घाण कित्या काटेली सुणे आणि गोरवा तुमचे प्लास्टिक चाकून खातेली दिसा तुमचे गारा येऊन डेंगू तुमकां दितेली आणि मूस तुमच्या जेवणाचे तांती घालून वयतेली कोरोना भाशेन आनीक नाका आमकां वायरस सेकंड चान्स तुका मेळपाना इट्स टाइम टू बी सिरियस भाड्यान तुम्ही दवरतात तांचे पयशे तुम्ही घेतात हागोंक तेंकले जाल्यार तुम्ही शेतान तांकां दातात एकदाक तुल्या रुमात तुम्ही 10 जाणांक गोदतात पयशे मेवले जाल्यार आमचे गोंय पासून विकतात मायनिंग स्टार्ट करूंक आणि कितले दोंगर कापूंक जाय बेश्टे झाडां कातरून तांचे रस्त्यार तुमकां मारूंक जाय पोतून हीच झाडां उबी जावंक 100 वर्सां जाय उस्कार घेवंक पासून झाडांची हीच गरज आयज
Boy, oh man.
आमचे गोंय सोपुरले आमचे कोंकण मोगाचे पुर्वजांनी आमकां दिल्ले फुडाराक भुरग्याक ते सांबाळचे विकून काबार न्हय करचे एकवटान रावन आमी झुजचे गोंयकारपण राखून दवरचे शेतांत कश्ट करून ताजे पीक आमी खावचे
Oxygen is very important for a human being and animals to live.
Okay.
तुमचे भांगार तू स्वता आणि पैसे तुमच्या बँकांत गरिबांच्या पोटांत ना उदक आणि खाण कितें चलता गोंयांत हांगा अशें कितें घडटा एक्सिडेंट जाता मनीस हॉस्पिटलांत मरता आदले बदले जावन
So here, okay. Let me just point out something so that future rappers can understand this.
कितें चलता गोंयांत हांगा अशें कितें घडटा
One second. I think it's here. It starts from here. Yeah. So check this out.
तुमचे भांगार तू स्वता आणि पैसे तुमच्या बँकांत
बँकांत.
गरिबांच्या पोटांत ना उदक आणि खाण
गोरीब कुसोता तुमच्या बँकान गोरिबाच्या पोटान ना उदक आणि खाण ओके नाव बँकान आणि खाण आणि इज वन वर्ड खाण इज अनदर वर्ड राइट बँकान बँक आन 2 syllables उदक आणि खाण if you had to do John Khan it would have fitted more better in that this thing because it sounds incomplete. I'm not taking anything. I'm just saying, Baba. Let's go a little bit back again. Go here. Okay, and see.
तुमचे भांगार तू स्वता आणि पैसे तुमच्या बँकांत गरिबांच्या पोटांत ना उदक आणि खाण
John Khan.
कितें चलता गोंयांत हांगा अशें कितें घडटा एक्सिडेंट जाता मनीस हॉस्पिटलांत मरता आदले बदले जावन दुसऱ्याचीच कूड तुमी लासतात सत उलयतात तांचे तोंडांत कापूस भरतात गोंयकारा पासून झुजतात तांचे फाटी सुरी तोपतात आनी झोपड्याचो आमदार गोंय फुडें व्हरोंक आमचे गोंय सोपुरले आमचे कोंकण मोगाचे पुर्वजांनी आमकां दिल्ले फुडाराक भुरग्याक ते सांबाळचे विकून काबार न्हय करचे एकवटान रावन आमी झुजचे गोंयकारपण राखून दवरचे शेतांत कश्ट करून ताजे पीक आमी खावचे
I love my Goa. Chocolate goita Mumbai. And we have to save Goa for us and for our
आमचे
children.
गोंय सोपुरले आमचे कोंकण मोगाचे पुर्वजांनी आमकां दिल्ले फुडाराक भुरग्याक ते सांबाळचे विकून काबार न्हय करचे एकवटान रावन आमी झुजचे गोंयकारपण राखून শয়তান পোস্ট করুন তাজে পিক আমি খাওছে আরজান তু বক্তা কিতে যাতা
Good job.
ওয়া কিতে যাতা হুই গেলে আমকে কয় খা आमचे गोये सोपुरले आमचे कोंकण मोगाचे
This chorus, Joe Savio Fernandez, Jason Bade, अरे बाबा, sorry. Trisha Moraes and Kavya Moraes. Oh, so yeah, this is right. Cool. Life is mine, so go. I need to listen to this. Okay, I think I've got. Okay, so let me take you back to one virus serious where he said virus serious, right? Okay, I think it's here. Okay, now hear this properly.
Animus तुमच्या जेवणाचे तांती घालून वयतली कोरोना भाशेन आनीक नाका आमकां
virus.
Second chance तुका मेळपाना it's time to be serious.
Okay, now the virus, 2 syllables, serious 3. So maybe I've heard many rappers change the pronunciation of the word because like virus serious, yeah, or time to be serious or serious. Make it into 2 syllables, serious, and that's it. I think so that would have sounded much better, but this is not for Kips. Kips is a hardened soldier and a veteran, so this is not for Kips. This is for the upcoming rappers out there who wants to take rapping as a profession and stuff, or just want to improve a little bit. Yeah, so but overall absolutely brilliant composition, brilliant song, and brilliant lyrics. Okay, I hope that you like the song because he's talking about real issues, real things that are happening in Goa, and I think we also need to pay a little bit attention to our environment. At the end of the day, both the girls, Trisha and Kavya, oh my god, amazing girls. I'm sure they will go well ahead because their dad is amazing, right? So obviously the daughters are dads, by the way. Okay, my daughter is mine, she's not her mama's. So तुम्ही जर तरी चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करून वॉच आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. I have already subscribed. There's 4,414 views on the channel. It premiered like in February, and he has 343 likes. So what are you guys waiting for? Go and support an artist. He has like many things, but Poyat Patlian, Amche Goya. He has a lot of things. Okay, so go up there, give the guy give us all the support. Yeah, come on, we were trying to build up a community over here, so let's build up a proper community. Yeah. Okay, sorry तर तुमच्यानी माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून झाल्या. कोरा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा, तिथे जाय पडते कोरा. Okay, and my next video is going to be on Baba Base Kani. It's been pending for a long time, and even this video for Kips, it was pending for a long time, and right now here we are. Okay, so Diobore Korung, thank you for stopping by. Go and song. I love you guys. Peace. Camera close.